Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Axiom.ai account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is head on over to Axiom.ai. I will leave a link in the description below. It is a referral link and I will make a small commission if you click onto it. Now that's going to take you to this page here. So this is the official website of Axiom.ai. And now from here, you want to navigate to the bottom of the page here and it'll say automate with Axiom AI in minutes. Click on the get started for free button. And now what you want to do here is add it to Chrome. So go ahead and click add to Chrome here, add extension. Now this is going to go ahead and download and add this extension to your Google Chrome. Like so. Now that's been added. Now once you've done that, it's going to take you to this page. Then from here, we want to click onto our extensions and then click onto the Axiom Browser Automation extension. And now I'm just going to expand it. Then I'll say create your Axiom account with 2 free hours of runtime. So what we can do here is sign up with Google, or you can chuck in your name, your work email or email, and then create a password. Then have a read of the terms, click I agree and get started. So what I'm going to do is click on sign up with Google, just because it's easier and quicker. So I'm going to choose my email address here. Now this is going to create my account and sign me in at the same time. And now from here we'll say let's tailor Axiom to your needs. So you need a what best describes what you do, marketer, creator, influencer, etc. What problems are you looking to solve Axiom, web scraping, social account automation, how did you first hear about us, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. And then you can put in your company and organization, then go ahead and get started. Alright, so it'll look something like this. Then go ahead and click on the get started button. Then it will say browser automation and web scraping with Axiom. In the following slides, we'll cover some very important topics for browser automation and web scraping. So you can go ahead and click on take tour or skip for now. Now once you've done that, you'll be taken to this box here. And I might make a video of how to use Axiom in the future, so keep an eye on it. If I ever release a video, I will let you know.